you should have in front of you this piece of paper that has 2 pencil lines drawn, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and a pencil. Also, there are additional pieces of cardstock on the table, and you're going to need 2 of these. So, what you're going to do first, and it's important that you do this carefully, otherwise your chair is going to be lopsided. So, I'm going to take my scissors and cut carefully, and I put my tip at the very end of that line and cut. And I'm not going to go further than that, and I'm going to make this side even as well. So, this is going to make it so that our chair pops out. So, flatten it out again. I'm going to fold it like this and put your finger right here and push out so that it looks like this. So what we want to do is make a crease here and up here. So I'm going to take both of my fingers and sort of fold it forward, and you can see that I'm pressing on this as I do it. So I've made a nice straight crease. Same thing, flip it over, put both your fingers behind, press forward and fold. You can see how I'm doing that right there. Okay. Then close it completely and press again. Okay, so now this is going to be the seat of your chair, and this is going to be the front legs of your chair. So just to show you, this will be the seat. I'm going to put a little button on the top of my seat. This is the cushion. It's a little tufted. I'm also going to make some legs with a curved front. You can make yours to look however you'd like. So the next thing you want to do, actually let me do the back of the chair. I'm making mine curved. You can do it any way you like. So now you can see how that kind of looks like a chair popping out from the wall. So next thing I want to do is I'm going to add this piece of paper. I've already folded it so that it's evenly folded. And I want to put this behind. I'm going to line up the 2 folds. And you can see when I do that, I've covered up that empty space right there with paper so that you can draw on that. So what you want to do is get your glue stick. We're going to attach it now. You don't want to glue on this piece because then you could get it in an area where it's going to be sticky where you'll be drawing. So just go around the square, oops, and up like that. Too much there, and press it down. Same thing, flip it over on the other side. Put some glue stick on either side and up, press it down. Okay. So now, what you want to do, this is a little tricky, you gotta kind of get behind that little part that has popped out. You wanna get your pencil, and you want to create an illusion by putting the legs of the chair back here and the floor here. So it would be kind of hard for me to draw the same shape behind here. So I'm just going to draw some straight legs. And I will show this to you in a second. So I put a line going this way, and that shows the separation between the wall and the floor, and I did a leg on either side. So now my chair looks three-dimensional. So if I'm going to have something on the floor like tiles or a rug, not only do I want to draw it here, but I also want to draw it in here. So I'm going to draw a rectangular rug, just a simple shape like that. But I'm not done yet. because I want to make it extend into this space. So again, a little tricky, but draw it best you can. And then you can see I have the illusion of that rug going underneath my chair. So the next thing we want to create is a closet. A closet is where you can put personal items like clothes, or you could have shelves with different things on there that describe something about you. This project is supposed to be, you know, about your personality. So I'm going to use a ruler, and I'm about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch from the edge, and that is going to be, whoops, my wall right there. And I'm just going to make a rectangular door. And this is something that I will help you complete. I've got a sharp knife and I will cut along these lines. I just need you to draw them for me. Okay. I'll cut that out and we'll be back in a second.